Tapos wala ka naman makita. Hindi, kinikilihan mo sila.
Ano ba yun? Okay.
Kung sa sabong, kiligili tama. Masakit yun eh.
Okay.
Nakuha natin.
Nakakulay.
Nakakolekta tayo ng due and accrued.
Yun na po. How many
Obligation.
How many
Lahat to, building, flood control, drainage, and so on and so on. Lahat ng project nila.
Sila nag-corner, no?
Basta lahat ng project
Wala
nila.
kayo city government project?
Ito pa yung amin. Ito pa yung amin. Kami naman, kami nagkagawa. Kami may building permit. Diba? Pero lahat ng ginawa. Across to.
6 districts.
Across.
Oh.
Pati interagency.
Pero at least wala kang ghost doon.
Ay, wala nga pa ako nakikita. So far.
Oh, pero ang problema, last doon sa basura, wala kang problema sa basura.
Awan ng Diyos.
Naayos na.
I will let you decide for it.
Wala kang nakikita kayo mga...
Salamat naman. Kasi dati, pag-focus mo kay mountain na mga kanto. Pero it was gone again. Modest, hindi naman sa pagbubuhat ng bako.
Hindi ka ba?
The following day, nakita mo na ubos. Ubos! Eh, sa kalsada?
At Lionel pa ba yan?
Oh, binalik ko sila. Nakuha, napakalusapan ko. Now, I will let you be the judge. Malinis ba yung nahakot ba yung basura sa mga. Ay, salamat naman sa Diyos.
Wala na lang sa pag-era, it's
The thing speaks for itself.
Wala kang nakikita mga no more. On that note, I'm opening the floor for your questions.
Nakatulog na nga sila.
Ang daming sinusulat. Please identify yourself and use the microphone.
Parang arrestuin.
Sige. Si ano na?
Hi, Mayor.
Ay.
Good morning. Jesse from ABS-CBN po.
Thank
Sir,
you.
balikan ko lang itong Executive Order number 29, sir. I might have missed it. In effect na po ito ngayon, Mayor? Or
Yung EO,
yung EO.
effective siya. It's functioning already. And
Since when po, Mayor?
The other day.
Okay. Sir, may nabanggit po kayo na kids will be caught carrying deadly weapon, bullying other students, and who will be involved in a rumble inside and outside the school will be
Yes.
subjected to expulsion. Sir, may process ba or automatic?
May expulsion proceedings.
Sa
Okay.
eskwela.
Paano po yung magiging process?
The school will have its own rules on expulsion proceedings.
But not automatically, Mayor. They can...
But it will result for expulsion. It will result to expulsion.
So,
It will.
tatlong
At the end of the day, unless, hindi, wala.
Hindi, tatlong rounds na rumble, bullying,
yung mga
weapon.
Wala second chance. Most likely, if you were found and true, the information was true, then you will be expelled.
Sir, in drafting this executive order, how's the DepEd
They have nothing to do with it.
May Department of Schools naman kayo, di ba?
Hindi, saka they have nothing to do with it because city ordinance. It's going to be a city
Pero
ordinance.
you're coordinating.
We are not, we are coordinating, definitely. Kasi it's going to be implemented. It's like curfew, di ba?
Citywide.
There is
May
an act
curfew ba kayo?
there is an act protecting children.
Oo, pero
We
kayo-
realign our laws, local laws in the city on how to take care of those children roaming around in wee hours.
Yeah.
Di ba? So, naka-align siya. So, same thing here, merong batas na nagpo-proteksyon sa pangangalaga under DepEd sa loob ng paralan. Hindi naman namin sinusupersi. These are extra rules within the power of the local government.
Mayor, isa sa naging problema sa Tacloban, I think, is yung kakulangan din ng security guard in school. Ano po ang plan dito ng Manila LGU kung sakali? Do you have additional
Security,
implement?
May aircon na nga sa dapat
I'm telling you, this may happen anywhere. Let us not put the blame to Tacloban alone. It can happen sa Amerika, 5-5. Mas widen pa yung... But the thing is, may guard o wala, we have to come up with another way of solving existing and preventing future incidents. will guard, protect. Hindi, alam mo, pagka talagang pag suwail eh. Gagawa ng paraan. But, that's why I want them to hear. I want them to know. If you do it in Manila, there will be no future for you in Manila.
Yung curfew mo, since
It's still existing. Simula yung pera ko ulit.
anong oras yun?
Alas 10.
10 to,
Log to na.
Oh,
Tiklop
10.
na lamesa.
10 p.m. to
Alas 4.
AM.
Mayor, sorry, additional lang from AM. Last, I think the other day, I was able to cover this story. Yung 15-year-old na binatilyo, ng amba, tapos pinato ng basag na bote yung papa and dad. And eventually, sinuko siya ng mother niya. Sir, siguro anong message ng LG Manila sa mga parents in terms of disciplining their own kids?
Saan yan?
Well,
Saan
mahirap
yan?
maging magulang, ha? Don't get them wrong. Walang magulang ang mag-iisip ng masama para sa kanyang anak. Walang magulang ipagpapariwara ang kanyang mga anak. Maaaring may napapalitan tayong ilan na magulang na pariwara, walang pakialam sa kanyang mga. Pero, the numbers is so many. Generally, mahirap maging magulang. Napakahirap maging magulang. Niraraos mo na yung sinusubo ng anak mo araw-araw. Hindi mo na inalintana yung sakit ng kasukasuhan, hirap, pagod, buya. Wala, hindi mo yung nirereklamo. Bilang isang magulang. And yet, your children will not understand what you're asking them is bare minimum. Masok ka sa eskwela, mabuti ka ng bilang ng bata, umuwi ka, build friends, relationship with others. But through the environment, whether digital environment or physical environment, nasasadlak yung mga. Kaya, napakalaking bagay, siguro, ito yung personal ko lang opinion. It may not be factual, but this is my opinion.
Ilan ba na po, sir?
5.
And you count from siblings mo, ilan kayo?
Ako, solong tagapagmana ng malaking lupain sa pulo. Bulubundukin at umuusok pa. Napakalaking bagay, ito yung opinion ko, na kapag ang gobyerno naging kakampi ng magulang sa pagpapatupad, pagpapalaganap, programa man o regulasyon, paggabay, sustenance. That's why nakikita nyo sa Maynila lang merong allowance sa mga estudyante natin.
Meron?
Meron. Simula nag-mayor ako. K-12, Malinganda, Sampuli, PLN, pati PWD, pati solo parent, senior citizen, agent. I just wanted to address social, functioning the socio-economic impact of the hardship and economic challenges of the city or the country for that matter sa mamamayan ng lungsod ng Maynila. So anyway, so talagang yun yung nakakalungkot, no? I feel bad for a walang natutuwang magulang na nasasadlak yung kanyang anak. But we have to put an end to it. Bakit? Kawawa naman yung isang magulang din na nabiktima yung anak ko. Yung nararamdamang hapdi ng isang ina, nararamdaman ding hapdi ng isang ina. Yung isang nagkasala at yung isang nabiktima. So that's why the government should go in between and put certain level of gate or gabay in between. Kaya, ulit-ulitin ko, panawagan ko sa mga ATABs, mga Batang Maynila, magdalawang isip na kayo. Sa mga magulang naman, ito po yung maliit naming kaparaanan upang kayo'y matulungan na madisiplina natin ang ating mga susunod.
Ano yung 500 allowance? Kung doon sa how many students from?
7,001 group, 5,001 group, 30,000 plus solo parent PWDs, almost 200,000 senior citizens, almost 10,000 teachers, about 5,000 policemen, tapos quarterly pinotoscas nilalabas.
Money talaga binibigay sa kanila?
Yes.
Do you give it out to the parents, yung 500 allowance?
If you're a single parent,
Hindi, doon sa estudyante na 500.
sa loob ng eskwela,
Nagbibigay talaga kayo?
sa loob ng eskwela, it's been happening since I became mayor in 2009.
No wonder dahil pupunta sa Maynila. Lumilipat na naman.
Lipat na tayo sa Maynila. Babalik kami.
Ay, masaya lang ako.
Babalik kami.
Masaya lang ako makapaglingkod. Maibsan ko lang yung hirap na nararamdaman ng isang magulang o ng isang mag-aaral. Katulad ko na walang bawal papasok sa eskwela.
Nasinelas lang. Okay, question please?
Mayor Ina po from DZRH, just a clarification po. Kailan po ito ipatutupad? Saka paano po make sure ng LGU yung pagiging uniform ng policy sa iba't ibang school? Depende pa dito sa yung mga disciplinary action nila bago yung expulsion?
Ay ano kasi, on the basis of facts lang. If you were registered caught, no, di ba, nahuli ka sa Rambon, riot, outside of the school, then you were apprehended by the particular precinct and your name were registered.
Police record.
And that record will be submitted to MDSW, J. De La Puente. And J. De La Puente will coordinate with SDO, DepEd. Then they will find the names and what school they are enrolled. Then the principal will be informed and to proceed on the process of expulsion on the basis of facts. Kaya ano siya, makikita mo yung EO29, medyo symbiotic and comprehensive.
Yung effectivity nito, Mayor, ay...
I will see kung ano magiging pasya ng sangguniang panglusa.
Okay.
We're going to submit it in 2 weeks' time. We'll update you.
Mayor,
We'll see and we will submit it in 2 weeks' time, the ordinance before the Senate.
may directive po ba kayo regarding po sa mga school dito sa Manila?
Bilis po ngayon.
Dito po,
Directive ako kahapon.
yung may higpit po na patakaran sa school, nagkukos po ng napakahabang pila. Meron po bang pagbabago sa policy ng inspection ng mga bag ng mga estudyante?
Well, nanganganayan lahat. But I would rather have long lines of alive and safe students than long lines of bodies lying down because of their victim of violence.
May mga suggestion po sa aming interview ng
Sure,
mga
please.
magulang
Please.
na per subject or per advisory class yung inspection bago makapasok sa room para hindi mahaba yung pila sa labas na pinangangamba nila yung safety rin ng mga estudyante gaya po sa Aurelio High School
It doesn't-
na umabot sa United Nations
It doesn't make
LRDC.
sense if it is para advisor. You're gonna create more lines with the same lines. And you know, it is. I would rather have my teachers having a very good time doing an assignment program para sa mga asignatura. Yung time niya, magamit na lang niya in preparation of the class. Because while it is not her or his job, but we still have naman logistics pa to be extended. Kasi talagang parang maramdaman ng mga atal na seryoso. And magiging ano naman yan, magkakaroon yan ng muscle memory as time progress. Masasanay na din sila. And before you know it, pagka may choppy na kami, di ba meron kami ngayon yung tut, yung
Detector, metal detector.
before you know it, baka later on, meron na kami parang airport.
Yung
X-ray machine.
Yung ganun,
bus shape ko na ano.
tut. Mas mabilis ang scanner.
Scanner.
Ayun. Kung ano man tututot yun, basta parehong tutot yun. Isang handheld, isang... Hindi ko kasi alam, scanner eh.
X-ray.
X-ray, oo.
X-ray.
Metal detector din, para sa hotel.
Pero sa
O tapos, inyanyanga mo yung ano, yung sa X-ray yung bag. It can, these are developing situations. But whatever resources that we have right now, what is available there, we are utilizing it at maximum. And I would like to share, it's a very timely to share. I already directed General Santiago during the first meeting of the implementation of Executive Order 29 to put at least 2 policemen in the school vicinity under their PCP or police station. Ibig sabihin, there is about a handful of precincts and a few dozen of PCPs all over the city. They are within the jurisdiction. Ito na, ngayon na to. Ngayon lang to. Ayun. Na mag-assign ng at least 2 per school, per shift. Kasi nga, malapit lang, isang campus lang sa kanila. Eskwelahan na
Na
eh.
104 public schools na.
Eh, mas marami akong less po.
Oo, dapat test
Eh,
mo.
4,000 mahigit.
Okay.
Kulang 5,000.
Kaya pala medyo cool ka doon sa hiring ng security guards.
Okay, kasi may security guard din naman yung ibang school.
Oo.
Plus may CSF pa kami.
Ano CSF?
City Security Force under Colonel Santiago.
Ano naman yun?
Ay, ito yung mga gwardiya namin na own, I mean not owned, but employees of city government assigned into facilities of the city government. It can be park, it can be school, it can be housing, it can be...
Ilan yan?
Marami-rami daw. A few dozen. Tapos may gwardiya pa kami.
Private security.
Tapos less po pa. Oh.
Force,
Kaya ano talaga?
force multiplier. Force multiplier.
Yun, tama.
O kasi yung panahon namin sa
Tapos
high
yung
school.
tanod, ini-encourage namin sila na baka tumulong sila. Kasi alam mo,
Mayor,
not for anything else.
Oh.
I don't want to be melodramatic about the situation.
Oh.
Sa bawat buhay na maliligtas natin is we may face all failures or hardship or what you call stumbling blocks implementing things. There is, at least there will be room for improvement or expansion. But for now, what is important is, I hope, because I cannot guarantee you, I hope it will not happen anymore. Not only in Manila, all over the country.
Anyway.
We don't want a crying mother. Both parents are crying. And I'm pretty sure the mother and the father of the perpetrator or the one who committed that heinous act is crying.
Oo.
More so to the victim. Parents are crying. Kaya huwag nga mangyari.
Are you for lowering the age of criminalization?
Bahala na sila. Busy naman sila sa Senado at saka sa Kongreso. Eh, baka mas maalam sila sa akin.
Mayor, so rest assured itong policy, lahat ng policing ito ay pangmatagalan na hindi lang ito ningas-gugot.
That's why we are creating a law.
Ordinance.
Para,
Wala naman balak mag-senado ulit. Para ba yung...
kaka-office ako pa lang.
Kasi sabi mo, bahala ng proseso.
Hindi kasi bahala naman talaga sila. That's their job to determine
Oo.
what the, alam mo, sige, total ayaw ko naman, umiwas. Ayaw ko naman simple na lang. I think they should come up with a group of individuals or what you call, ito, sikat to sa national government, TWG.
Technical working group.
Oh, baka pwede aralin nila. What is the good and bad effect of a particular? Hindi, para mga-aral nila, then they come up with the new law.
Yung minimum age of criminal liability, responsibility. On that.
Alam mo, masarap mangopya sa ibang bansa. Ako, no? Nangongopya ako. Singapore. Housing.
Nag-aral ka sa Harvard, ha?
Hindi, pero marami akong kinokopya.
Oh, di ba doon sa ano?
Pero hindi lang
license-
kinokopya ko. Bakit? Binabagay ko sa kultura, customary natin.
Ina-adapt. Okay na.
Sabihin,
Ano kanina ito po?
hindi ko applicable at maganda sa kanila ay maganda sa kanila.
Golden executive to.
For example,
Yun yung result.
kwentahan lang ng edad apples to apples lang.
Ayoko mag-usap sa'yo.
Hindi, kwentahan lang ng edad. Walang biro to. Tingnan mo ang height
Tingnan ko na siya reaction.
ng 15-year-old na Pilipino at height ng 15-year-old na Amerikano.
Layo.
I'll stop there.
Mayor, last question na lang, other topic. Any directive po regarding po sa rally ng INC, Taliwasan Bonifacio, sa mga paghigpit po ng polis? May directive po ba kayo sa kapulisan o
Wala naman.
general?
Mapayapa sila kahapon. Doon sila sa Freedom Park. Okay naman. We're very happy that, alam mo kasi, sa totoo lang, pag INC nga nagra-rally, wala akong kakabakabag. Kasi, katulad ng huli nilang ginawa dito sa Luneta na may permit, ilang milyon sila doon. Alam mo nung pag-alis nila, walang biro Eh, order na doon yung DPS, nandun yung amin. Typical na, what we extended to them is being extended to all other political organization conducting freedom of expression in the city of Manila. Pag-alis sila, alaw sumunod. Wala talaga. Kahapon, ina-monitor namin yung iwasa. Although hindi nila kailangan ng permit doon, dahil ano yun freedom park. Tapos alam mo, kagabi, nag-10 pa sila. Nag-10, after nilang umalis, nag-10 sila, they stayed overnight. Because, I think may programa pa sila. So, parang okay naman. Maayos naman. Medyo, lang kami, traffic. That's part of Manila. Pag nagpunta sila lahat sa Recto, parado ang buong Boracay, apektado yung Espanya. Pag nagpunta sila sa Luneta, kung sino man to, across naku, parado ang Luneta, Ayala, Sarado, and so on and so on. Talagang very challenging ang Manila. But at least, as you can see, pinapayagan naman namin, basta sila hihingi ng permisyo sa amin. Except for Freedom Park. Hindi nila kailangan. Pero still, we have to police them not to go as much as we can na makakapag-nervisyon na direct ako. So far kahapon, maayos yung mga kapatid natin sa iglesia dito sa Manila. I cannot speak on other areas, but as far as with regard to your question, matitino yung mga kapatid natin dito na nagpunta sa Manila. And some of them are not from Manila. They traveled all the way.
My last takeaway kasi may meeting pa daw sa City Hall.
Sir, ay,
Meron pa. Sige.
Laman sir, Radyo Pilipinas. Sir,
Ay, nag-viral yung gatas mo.
kaya nga sir. Sir, yung yung tungkol po sa mga schools nyo tsaka sa mga pabahay, speaking kasi recently nagkaroon ng lindol sa Mindanao, kamusta po yung integrity nitong mga bagong buildings?
Mga earthquake ready.
Earthquake preparedness. Takot din ako Well, these are all brand new with all the science and engineering place, no? Can I guarantee you that no buildings will fall,
Collapse?
brand new or old, during the big one? I cannot. Only God knows. Do we have measures that we're doing? Yeah, papacheck kami lang. So far naman, okay naman. Including private,
Opo.
including schools, brand new and old. So far naman. But, ito naman ang take mo, Lawrence. Regular, through Director Arnel Angeles, ang CIMEX sa Manila.
Ano sino?
Simulation exercise. In fact, 2 weeks ago, I have a new directive.
Tinatanong ko pa po si Atty.
Every single month, once a month, every single month, magkakandak ang school ng Siemens. It is a requirements already in our.
Dako and government.
Kung ano yung nararapat at may mga makabagong pamamaraan.
Thank you.
pera.
Okay.
May final question na lang siguro.
Andrew,
Phil, sir. Sir, nabanggit niyo po yung sa PYO po na naiwan po sa inyong administrasyon. At nabanggit niyo rin po na hahabulin niyo po yung mga taong
Kadimanda lang.
Apo, pwede pong malaman kung sino po ang
Si Joy Dawis, Marlon Lacson, Fernan Bermeo, they are all charges were filed against them.
ano pong kaso?
Agra.
sa Ombudsman yan. Tatlo lang. Yung former
May mga
mayor.
hindi nyo nakilala yung iba eh.
O yung former mayor.
Wala pa kaming maitutugon sa kanya. Para wala tayong hausyaw na ayoko kasi whimsical lang. Pero ito kasi may mga affidavit na. Sworn statement against his people.
Documents.
And hopefully, warrants of arrest will be issued against them because some of them have plunder cases.
Ombudsman pa.
Iba-ibang kaso yan. Kasi iba-ibang act.
11 billion na iniwan sa'yo.
Tumira ba naman? Saan ka ba nakakita? 300 million tinira isang araw. Sinetentay 5 ng sinetentay 5. Kung may flood control, may point A to point B, point B to point A. O, paulit-ulit na nabenta. Dito, paulit-ulit na draw sa isang araw.
Ano yan?
Cash advance.
Cash advance for what?
In one day.
For what?
Jail.
Orders, mag-ghost employees naman yan.
Hindi ko alam. It's for the inspector, investigators,
Oo.
to find out. Ayoko kasing ano eh.
Oh, pero ang ex-mayor dyan, Bautista, na nakalabo dahil sa ghost employee.
Well, it's up for them to, basta we submitted official, lalo yung bangko na naglipat ng pera
Oh, kaya
from
liability.
trust fund to general fund, tapos
Oo.
susulian. May mga cheque yung bangko na yun.
May paper trail.
Mahirap ito.
Oo.
Saka account ng gobyerno yan.
May kowa pa.
Kaya, they're pending. As I have committed and promised before, we've done our part. And ang commitment ko nga, huwag kayong mag-alala, 5% lang ng time ko, bukid yung mga nakara, so that we can move on fast and cure the problem, which we did. 95% of our time in the last 1 year, addressing the fiscal situation, but as our commitment to the people,
Accountability.
ayun na, kaso,
Oh, accountability.
nakakaso.
Ngayon, transparency ka.
Ngayon, nag-iingating pa nga isa, parang ako kakakasuhan. Kayo nakaupo dyan.
Oh, my takeaway for you. Manila is so lucky because you have the promenade yung done by Malacanang, the Manila Bay, Manila Bay yung Koi ka, di ba? You were there sa pagpipili sa Manila Bay. Oh. So, you are still rich in
We are very rich in history and culture
yes.
and diversity of our people.
Yeah.
Manila is old,
145 years old.
400,
Ano ba ng 40?
455,
40. Binigay sa akin.
455.
Ningi ko nga yung soka mo eh. Hanggang ngayon.
Pero,
Hindi, si Papi ko hiningi eh. At ko babasahin ko muna, wala ko rin na iba nung 446.
55.
155. Okay.
Manila is old, has some story to tell, history, and character, and a lot of contradiction.
Okay.
But these are our assets. While we are old, this adversity of ours is also an asset to the people and the city of Alright. In every corner that you see, there is always a story to tell. For example, I'm telling you, huwag na tayong lumayo. Itong umaga natin na ito. Ito. Cafe Adriatico. Many people, famous, so on and so on. There's a lot of story in this coffee shop. And that goes to, kaya yan diyan kami naman. So, in return, what we can do at the very least, in the chain of progress, programs of coffee, the very least that we can do is maging maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay sa mga.
Kaya nga, nibitahan kita kung hindi maliwala sa ano yun. Para hindi natin stop sa kape.
Thank you sa inyo.
Thank you very much.
Last question, sir.
Yan, sabihin ko na.
Sir, expired. Mayor, kung kayo ay magbigay ng kahit 5 minuto lang na makausap ang si President Marcos at si VP Sara, ano po ang inyong sasabihin sa kanila para matapos na ito political na drama at makausap ng gobyerno para sa taong bayan?
Well, I don't have that kind of power to, ay, alika nga kayong dalawa. Dito ka sa wakali, dito ka sa wakali. Tapos ako, sige. I don't have that power. But hypothetical. Hypothetical lang. Hindi eme-eme, hypothetical lang. Sana bigyan nawa sila ng Diyos ng malawak na kaisipan, kas ng damdamin sa bawat isa. Kasi I don't know how far yung sugat,
How deep?
how deep. And I cannot judge any one of them why they are reacting to each other. And I am in no position. But as Filipino, anong wish mo?
Could only wish I wasn't saying.
No, anong wish mo as
Kaya they
Filipino?
can go together and pack.
Yeah, I think yun din ang wish ng mga Pilipino.
Work together. Work together.
Kaya, ngayon, kung yun ang wish natin,
Last 2 years na lang
ipanalangin natin ang kanilang damdamin, kaisipan, pangunawa sa isa't isa para sa kapakanan ng ating bansa. Okay. We should not participate in the division.
At
Or at least lagyan mo pa ng asin yung sugat. Di ba? Hindi ka ba naman isang dagot kalahati? Di ba? May sugat na eh. Kinalamansin mo pa. Hindi totoo. Yung mga ganun, roll. Kaya mo yan.
sige po, sige po.
Tayo, Tito. I just wanted peace for the country because mas marami pa tayo kinagawa. Ako, marami. Kasi may 2 million bibig akong umaasa.
Yes. Population naman nila.
Medyo doon ako kinakabahan. I saw it in pandemic.
Yes.
I saw the worst. I think that will be our lifetime discussion.
Yes.
What is your worst experience in I saw it. Sana mapabuti na lang ang isa't isa.
Okay.
Yun lang.
On that,
Wish yun ha. Hindi
hindi
Hindi,
pagkagatong.
wish ko lang.
On that note, I would like to thank the good mayor of Manila.
Okay, thank you sa inyo.